Well, hello everyone. This is your princess in suburbia. Of course, some of you call me Princess of Suburbia. Now, here in Nashville, Tennessee. My name is Dr. Fumi Hancock, and welcome to another exciting episode of the 5-Minute Success Blueprint. This is a podcast where my hope and my desire is to present to you some wisdom nuggets that will thrust you, at least help you in thinking your way through whatever it is that you might be going through right now. It is my goal that every little bit that I share with you today will help you to thrust you from where you are right now to where you desire to be in life. This morning I woke up thinking about a particular TV show. And the TV show asks this pivotal question. It says, who do you think you are? And so this morning I woke up and I began to think about that phrase. Who do you think you are, Princess Fumi? Who do you think you are? Besides the accolades, besides having a doctorate degree, outside of being a best-selling author, outside of being a filmmaker, or whatever it is, the accolade that you might have right now, who do you think you are? In the core value of who you are, who do you think you are? And so for me, I really sat down and began to think about the people that have come my way through the years. Those that have reached out to me to mentor them, others that I've actually reached out to and I felt that I needed to mentor them. And of course, just friends, family, and alliances, just people that I've met through the years. And I began to think about the situation where right now we live in a microwave age where everything goes at a speed of light, even further than the speed of light, if you can imagine it. And you have people that want things, they want it now, they want it right now, and if they don't have it now, then they're depressed. If they don't have it now, then they're trying suicide. There are people that are actually really, really doing the best that they can and pushing through, trying to push through life to at least make something of themselves. So, in the midst of all this, who do you think you are? For me, I start with I am a child of God. In the core of my being, I am a child of God. And because I am a child of God, I know that I am made in His image and in His likeness. And in the book of Genesis, for those of you out there that really do study your Bible, and if you don't, please, I encourage you to just look at the book of Genesis, where it said that the Lord created the heavens and He created the earth. And of course, He did it in 7 days. And on the 7th day, He rested. And when He rested, He looked at everything that He created, man equally, and said, wow, I've done a great deed. This is good. And when He says this is good, which means that we are His creation, we are good. And so for me, who do I think I am? I am a child of God. I am made in His likeness. And because I am made in His likeness, I can do the things that He's said that I can do. He said that He's given me the mouth, I'm His mouthpiece, and whatever I say, if I say, let there be, it shall be. And so, Father, having said that right now, what are you saying into your life right now? What are you saying, let there be? Are you saying, let there be depression? Are you saying, let there be heartache? Are you saying, I am unhappy? Who do you think you are at the core of everything, at the core of your being? You are a child of God. You are wonderfully and marvelously made and created. You have a DNA that no one can duplicate. You are unique in your own self. And because you're unique, nobody can be you. Nobody can do you. Nobody can be all that God has called you to be. So as you go out today, be inspired, be motivated, be of sentimental value, and of course, be authentic in all you do. You are a marvelous being. Bye for now.